Hey, boys and girls. So, we have been talking a lot about opinion writing. And so, you've got a new virtual classroom that you can explore and use as a tool as you do your own opinion writing. So, I'm going to give you a little tour of this room. So, the first thing I want to show you is on our whiteboard up here or our smart board. We've got three examples of opinion writing pieces. And notice how they all have a grade, an M, a P, and an E. So we've talked about how an M is like the best. That's what we want our writing to look like. Then we've got P, which is like we're kind of there, but we probably could do a little bit better. And E is kind of like where we start, and that shows that that's not where we want to be, right? So we want our work to look like an M. So I suggest when you finish your writing, you can click on this writing example, and it's going to take you to the picture of this writing piece, and you can see it bigger. And then that way you can really look at your writing and the writing on the board and see, are there any differences? Is there anything that maybe I need to fix about my writing so it looks like this? And even notice like the picture in this example is really nice too. It's got a beginning sentence, it's got two reasons, examples, and a closing sentence. So I suggest you always use this bulletin board right here to help you grade your own writing and see if there's any changes that you need to make to yours. Then we've got some other fun things. You can check out this cool opinion writing Oreo poster in case you forget the key parts of a good opinion writing piece. We've got all these awesome books down here that you can click on, and it will take you to a video where someone will read it to you. And these are all books that are great examples of opinion writing. The authors give great reasons, so be sure to check out some of those. And then on our Chromebooks down here, we've got different videos about opinion writing. So you can always check those out. The last thing you can do for extra fun or for practice, if you click on the little pencil icon, it'll take you to some videos where you can practice some of your handwriting. So enjoy exploring the opinion writing classroom and be sure to use it so you can grade your own writing, whether it's a M, a P, or an E. All right, guys, happy writing.